Hi everyone, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Yoga for wrist pain. Today we are going to do 5 yoga asana and pranayama to control it. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Deep inhalation. We are going to start with some wrist movement. Let us start. First, stretch it properly. Make a fist and rotate. Reverse. And relax. This will help you to strengthen your muscle and help to stimulate your nervous system. Now same thing, thumb inside. Reverse. Stretch. Release. And relax. Now we'll do second stretch, which is also very good. Stretch your hand. Stretch inside. Change. So this is our second beautiful stretch, which is very easy. Now third, shoulder rotation. Hold it like this with proper breathing. Inhale, exhale. Now Kati Chalana Kriya, which is very easy. Stretch your hand. We are going to do in different way. Stretch, close, stretch, close, stretch, close. Do with proper breathing. Fingers apart. Try to touch your palms. My clapping exercise. This is really nice. Very good for increasing blood circulation. Let us do it one more time. Stretch. Relax, release. Now your fourth stretch. Stretch properly, interlock your hand and stretch. Be there for 20 seconds and close your eyes. Meditate your body. And release. Now we'll do Manduk Kriya. Cleansing is very important. Inside cleansing. We are going to do with this breathing exercise, Manduk. Let's do it. Make a fist. Very slowly come forward. Exhale. Exhalation is very important. It helps to clear all the bad toxins from your body. So we are going to do this Kriya one more time. Exhale forcefully for 5 count. Slowly come up and relax. with a beautiful smile. With this guys, if possible, take care of your diet also. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food. We should we should drink milk every day. Milk is a combination of protein and calcium. So every morning milk, and evening if possible take 5 soaked almond, which is very good for strengthening our muscle. So this is all the thing we need to follow. Drink lot of water guys. Always stay healthy, happy and beautiful. We'll come back again. Thank you.